Hey everyone, it's Rachel
and Kevin from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today we're going to use the Pro Mix Premium Organic Garden Mix to plant the seeds for this year's garden.
The great thing about this mix, other than the fact that it's organic, is that it's compressed. That means there's 2 cubic feet in 1 bag of Pro Mix Premium Organic Garden Mix.
It works perfectly for raised garden beds, which is what we have, and for starting seeds, vegetables, herbs, and flowers.
ProMix uses exclusive technology to stimulate roots for healthier plants, and the bag is also easy to carry to different spots on your property. You can also recycle the bag once you're done planting.
We've got a lot to plant, so let's get started.
Today we're planting pumpkins, carrots, herbs, and flowers. We've already planted our tomatoes, peppers, zucchini, peas, and much more.
The seeds we have planted are in the basement under lights until we can plant in our zone, which is on the cusp of 5B and 6A.
To start, we've put biodegradable pots on old cookie sheets and in growing trays to catch excess water. We'll plant these right into the ground in about 2 or 3 weeks.
Then it's time to open our Pro Mix and scoop the soil.
Once our pots are filled, we'll plant our seeds a 1/2 inch to 1 inch down in the soil, depending on what we're planting.
Lastly, we'll give them a drink and add them to the collection in the basement until we can plant. Thank you all for watching, and thank you to Pro Mix for helping us start this year's garden.
If you liked our video today, please make sure you're subscribed and following along so you can keep up with all our adventures here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse.